Well, hello, kings and queens and everything in between. Thanks for tuning in to Miss DTV. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and smash that like button. If you're not new, welcome back. Excuse me, y'all. On today, I'm going to teach y'all how to make a quick banana cream pie. Well, at least how I make it. First, you're going to need some banana cream. Then, you're going to need some vanilla extract. If it's invitation, it don't even matter. Invitation. I meant to say imitation don't matter. You need whipped cream. You need some vanilla wafers. Of course, Dante opened them. And you need your graham cracker crust. First thing first, let's get open this banana cream. Then you're going to take the banana cream and you're going to squeeze it over into a mixing bowl or any type of bowl that you might have around the kitchen. Next, you're going to add the vanilla extract, whether it's pure or imitation. Go ahead and add it in there to try to sweeten up the banana cream even more. Next, you're going to go ahead on and get the whipped cream open and add it into the mixing bowl with a spatula. Next, we're going to mix together the vanilla extract, the whipped cream, and the banana cream into a bowl. We're going to mix it all up together until everything is completely mixed all the way. I think I'm going to go ahead on and add some more milk to my banana cream just to make it a little bit more creamier. Not that much milk, just a little bit. Okay, I'm going to stir the milk into the banana cream to make it even more creamier. Okay, that looks good. So let's get the banana and peel it. And let's go ahead and cut the banana up in little pieces and put inside the cream filling. I'm only going to use one banana because everyone does not like all the banana inside their pie. Me, it doesn't matter. So just to be on the safe side, I'm just going to use one banana. Okay, we're going to stir in the bananas and we're going to get ready to put in the next ingredients. The vanilla wafers. You can put as many crumbled up vanilla wafers as you want to inside of your banana cream pie. It's your choice. Me, I'm going to put a whole lot of it. Seeing as though I haven't put that much banana up in there, so I'm going to compensate with the vanilla wafers, okay? Make sure you stir it up completely. Next, we're going to get the graham cracker crust. Go ahead on and get it open so you can get ready to take the banana cream to pour over into the crust. Make sure y'all do a taste test and make sure your banana cream is sweet enough for you. Next, you're going to get the banana cream and pour it over into the graham cracker crust. Make sure you get out all that you can. Get some of the vanilla wafer cookies and take them and crumble them over on top of the banana cream. Cover the whole pie. Okay, y'all see how my pie turned out? Ooh, it looks good. Pat myself on the back. Now let's put some finishing touches on it. Thank y'all for watching this video on how I make my banana cream pie. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I'll see y'all again in the next video. Peace.